Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to disable shipping address in WooCommerce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically to do that, we will need just to have either some extensions or add some plugins to our WooCommerce so we can be able to hide the shipping methods or the shipping address. So basically, uh, all we need to do is just to go to the plugin uh, here, and after that we will need just to search for hide shipping, and we will need first to click on add new plugin, and from here we will need just to search for hide shipping, and then we will have a result for plugins that would allow us to do this operation. And let's just wait for the search result to appear, and from here you can find this plugin that hides all the other shipping methods when free shipping is available, and you can have many customization on your WooCommerce shipping. Also from here you can find hide shipping method, and you can start going to WooCommerce and shipping. So basically after that you install this, you can start going to your WooCommerce, and after that we can go to settings, and basically in the shipping you can find all the operations, and after that you will have the plugin that will be added here, and basically from the shipping methods, for example, it will be uh, hidden, etc. And those are some shipping destination. You can have some uh, to enable what you want, or you can hide the shipping costs until an address is entered, etc. etc. So basically, that's how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.